you don't want those things to be accessible by those companies, then make sure that you put those passwords in a third-party secured password wallet. MSecure is a good one. There was another one called Passkey. The guy who explained to me end-to-end encryption, he is the CEO of Passkey. I like their system. It's very simple. They have two servers. One is in Europe, one is in America. But what happens is they encrypt. So basically what it is let me show you. I'm going to show you a very, very simple encryption example that will help you understand what we're talking about here. And this is a very crude example, but I want to make it as simple as possible to understand. The way encryption works is, let's say you have a code and you want to hide the word taco salsa. Let's say we want to hide that word. Well, what you could do is you could say 1 is equal to A. Okay? You can do 2 is B. All right, all the way down the line, right? Let me pause this for a second. I'm going to do this in Excel so I can just do it right away. Okay. Now this goes past there. So we're going to do the 26. Actually, we're going to do 20. Okay. And then what we'll do here is, okay, C, D, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. And then the last one, we're actually going to do space bar. Space. Okay. That's going to be the space. So let's say we're going to use this cipher, or use this code to build the word taco salsa. The word taco salsa. Very important word. We need to hide it from all of the spies. So what are we going to use? How are we going to use it? Let me show you. Now you can get really fancy with capitals and lowercase. I'm not going to do that. So taco is, T is 20. A is 1. C is 3. Now you wouldn't put commas in there, but I'm just needing to separate the numbers. Otherwise they're going to look all crazy. 21. 3 is 15. Space is 27. S is, I'm here in South Texas, so taco salsa is very important. 19 is 1. L is 12. S is 19. And A is 1. 1. Okay, so what did we just do? This is super cool. This is super fun. We took taco salsa and encrypted it in this number pattern with this key. This is a key, right? We'll just say key when we do that, okay? It's an encryption key, okay? So we just encrypted taco salsa into this using this key or cipher. All right, does that make sense? So now it's like a riddle. And without this key, you'd have to sit here and try to figure out what it was. Now, the pattern I used was very simple, so that is not a very strong encryption, but the encryptions they have now are super strong, super, super strong. That's what end-to-end encryption means. They take the key and they encrypt it here, and then they send it to the server. And if you don't have the key that you started with, even the server owner can't access your data because you have the key. So that's what the CEO of Passkey explained to me, was that if you don't have this key on that server, then the company that runs your application can't unencrypt your data. I just want to encourage you guys, this is the way you use a password manager. That's the way a key works. And it's just like having a key to your house. Without it, you can't see anything inside the house. And that's what this is. This is the outside of your house. This is the key to get in. And this is the interior of your house. Without the key, you're not going to see anything inside. All right, great. So we've got password generation, suggest strong passwords for you. Accessibility, integrated into Chrome, easy to log into. Security checkups. All right, great.